Hello my YouTube family, and I want to welcome everybody who is new onto this channel. My name, okay, never mind, let this car pass because this one's wow, you really want to annoy me, don't you? Welcome everyone. Hello my YouTube family and everybody who is new onto this channel. My name is Susie. Yes, I am that girl who still lives in her van, or at least back at it. It's been a crazy 2020 for me, and I know it's been a crazy 2020 for all of us. Most of you probably know I had a massive accident with this van because, as you know, van life is not as sunshine and rainbow as it always seems to be. But man, if somebody crashes into your house, that's hard. First of all, I need to say thank you for my loyal ride and dies who've been sticking with me for all the time. I really love you so much. I want you to know that, first of all. And second of all, I wanted to say again, thank you to Oliver and to Mike Plompen, who both were massive major keys in, you know, repairing this van or getting my van back to Germany. I don't know how I would have made it, really. But somehow the universe or God sent me those people and they made it happen so this van can be alive again. I call this van Phoenix, and this is her name now because she didn't have one, but now it's her name. I know you probably think, what, 6 months? 6 months is a long time to repair a van. But first of all, we had the pandemic, so forget that people were working. Plus, this is an old van. Compared to new cars, you don't just take out a piece and put a complete new whole back piece onto. No, you have to weld every single bit and every single part of it. And plus the whole inside was messed up. And in this video, I'm gonna take you with me and how I repaired the van from the inside. I'm gonna give you a van tour as well because you deserve one. I changed a couple of things, not too much. But for now, you're going to enjoy the last couple of weeks that I've been repairing this van too. Before we jump into the conversion, let me refresh your memory on my accident 6 months ago. I was alone in Scotland with my dog traveling in my van as I was driving on a highway, and somebody out of the blue just crashed into me from behind. And I hit the rears on the left and I turned the whole car till I hit the right till I finally got to stop. It was very scary in that moment because I was all alone and I didn't know where to go. I just thought my whole existence fell apart and everything I worked for in the past 5 years was just gone. And in that time I was scared and I didn't even get to see the person who hit me because he did a hit and run and got away with it. After all the time when I was feeling so low and so depressed, I got help from some passengers and people who were just willing to help me to rebuild this van over again. So the process took a long time, but it was really much worth it. Well, this is what happened after the crash. Oh, shit, it's so painful to watch. These are the circumstances we are currently on. I'm in the middle of the street. I have no space at all because it's that way. And I'm going to try to fix up all the things.
Holy moly!
Look at that, it's gonna be a lot of work. This also broke, you see, from my drawer, that part. So that means I might have to do this or I have to glue it. I don't know how to do it yet. And everything, the whole electrical part is out, like here. Picking my bag just to get off the ground. Think I'm running out of chances. Beating up time just to slow it down. So I've spread myself throughout the whole street. This actually belongs in here, but I think I might just get some new ones because I actually don't even want to touch it with my hands. Everything is just so dirty. It's so dusty and dirty. It's incredible. I hate it when the van is disgusting. I love my van. Nice and neat. Guys. This mattress. So, I kind of organized a little bit. What the hell? It's so much work still to do, and I just put nail polish on today and it's already gone. I don't even know why I did it. Okay, hi guys. We are heading to the hardware store today because I want to buy some wood. Oh my gosh, I don't know if we can actually drive this van because it's so full. It's full. I'm a bit worried if I drive around it that this will just get tossed around everywhere, literally. Man, I don't even know why I'm wearing this cute little dress. Because I'm actually gonna work. I don't want to. Let's take a car sharing. It's better. He's my ex-boyfriend, by the way, guys. But we're good friends now. I forgot my mask. So we're gonna go and get some wood now. And then some other stuff I need for the van. If I should try to see if I can find some insulation. Now I'm gonna use styrofoam. I think I should get like 4 pieces of those styrofoam plates. Guys, I'm just waiting here for my shuttle bus, for my Uber. This is with the car I came with, but the width is way too long. I don't even really know if that's the correct size. I forgot to measure it. Hi, ich habe so ein paar Sachen. Darf ich die hier reinstellen? Das hier vorne. Das ist ein Brett. Es ist nur eine Ausnahme, weil ich habe leider sonst keine Möglichkeit, das nach Hause zu bringen. Aber muss der Kunde das auch dementsprechend dabei nicht helfen. Okay, I have to get inside the van in the front again. First I have to see if the wood actually fits, because I don't really know. Let me check it out real quick. Because if it doesn't fit, I'm fucked. Oh, I don't know. It looks a bit critical. This is the old piece. It fits, guys. It fits. I just have to make it shorter. Yay, I got the right one. The wood piece that is there is for this part. Because currently you can see everything. Everything feels so tiring these days. I don't know. Back in the days, it was so much easier for me to do it. But I think it's because of my arm, because it's still broke. It's still like really weak. I broke it not long ago, so it feels really weak still. And whenever I carry stuff, and it feels like I'm so tired already. I don't know. But yeah, let's get started anyway, huh? Girl, I tell you, if you can't find a pen, you're just gonna use lip liner. Yeah. What a waste, right? There you go. I think I worked about 8 hours today. I really got far. I fixed that whole part and I connected all the electrical system, which means I have light again. The only thing that I'm so sad about is I got the wrong color and this is really dark. I don't know if you can really tell, but it's like way more reddish and dark compared to the rest of the wood. So I was thinking maybe I want to make it white at the end of the day, but I'll do that at the very end. And I'm just cleaning the counter. I also put on some fresh bed sheets, and I also put the insulation back there in the door, in the back door. I don't know if you can see really well there. Yeah, it's starting to really look like before again, sweethearts. I can't believe it's a lot of work, but when I start, I just can't stop. The only thing is that I'm thinking about this. I have to do this new, but I also have like a Berkeley water filter now. So I don't know if I'm gonna keep it, if I make it shorter or whatever. I'll have to see. I feel a bit tired, but I'm really happy because everything is starting to look like how it used to be. I feel so home. I really hate this color. I think it's so I think this color is so ugly. When I look at it, I hate it. Or I just make it full of flowers, like greens, and it would have like a jungle look. I'll think about it. Hi sweetie, good morning. Today is day 3 of van conversion and I want to show you how far I've come. I'm sorry I didn't film all of it because, you know, when I get in the zone it's hard to press the camera button because I'm so focused. And how do you like my hair? I really love it. It's so Carrie Bradshaw vibes, Sex and the City. I love her. It almost looks like normal, right? Bit messy with my new skateboard. Stay cute. I love it. And yeah, look at that, it's pretty insane. And here where my wood stove used to be, there's just now some trash and the pipe. That's why I have to head to the hardware store and organize it. Even the front is accessible now. To show you my counter that I built just here. Yes, this is for the water filtration system. I just put some grout on and I have to wipe it off. It's relaxing as hell, I'm telling you. I really need to clean the van. It's so messy. It's full of everything. Oh my god. I think there's a guy peeing outside or something. Ew. What the? Oh no, he is. Oh my god. Locked out, install the stove, which is pretty much the last bit of the conversion. Everything else is, I think, done. It's still a mess, but I needed this tool, so I'm gonna cut the pipe shorter because now I have a bigger stand, obviously because of my, you know, water filtration. So what I'm going to do now is to cut it short, this pipe. It sits, guys. It sits. I have to paint this now and also put something on top here so it fits perfectly. Basically, I have been changing this fan on top because it was broken. I don't know if you remember from Scotland when it was first broken and it wouldn't go in and out, up and down, I mean. So I bought one which is right down there and I'm gonna replace it now. And as smart as I am, I'm doing it in the middle of the night. Why? I really have no idea, but I'm just being weird as always. Let's see. So this is how I spent my Saturday evening. Pretty much. So this is how I spent my Saturday evening, guys. And I was lucky because I had, where's my silicone pistol? Where is it? I just had it. How can I lose it? I don't have much space here. What? Oh, it's just right here. So luckily I didn't buy any silicone, but I always have some silicone in my van with this because, you know, I'm just doing everything in case something breaks. It's fun. I love it. I really love converting the van. It's a passion. So guys, as you saw, I had a lot to do, and during that time I also had to take care of myself, you know, spending time with friends, because obviously it is already 2 months after the breakup. Time passed really fast, but I've been healing so well, and I am so grateful because I see it as a new chapter of my life, and I'm just feeling so grateful and loving and happy. I've been focusing so much again on my work, on my body, on my looks, on my relationship with my friends and family, and it's all like a new opportunity for me to grow and to learn new things. And I've been feeling very, very confident with myself. At the end of the day, I'm back here, my van is standing, and you better be prepared for, I don't know, the 6th, the 7th van tour. That's why Phoenix, the name is just perfect. I'll see you in the next video. Sending you love. And never forget, no matter what tough stuff you are going through, I want you to know that with a lot of patience, with a lot of love and determination, you can overcome it. Okay? I just want you to know that no matter what you're going through.